Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
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 No, I didn't hit you.
One second, guys. I do hear some. Okay. Hey, how was the mental math? Was it hard or easy or what?
It was pretty easy except for the Arabic numerals part.
Except for the
Arabic numerals part. I didn't understand.
Arabic numerals part. Okay. Okay, that's not a problem.
I forgot
What?
to do the mental math because I
Yes,
was
what?
doing a page homework with Aditi.
I hear you. Okay, I hear you. Okay. Vihan, did you get to do the mental math?
Yes, I only did one page, but like I also got stuck. I also got stuck on the Arabic numerals.
Numerals, but see, okay, let me bring it up. Hi, Srimitran, how are you?
Good, Miss Priya. How
That's good. Nivyana, did you get to do the mental math?
I did all the pages, but some things like it was hard for me, so
I'm going to
I
review.
didn't.
I'm going to review. Don't worry about it. So you touched it. Shankari, how about you?
Um like most of it was easy.
Hmm.
The like division decimals, I didn't know that.
No problem.
I knew
See,
everything
yeah. So you touched it and you have some questions on it. That's all I want to know. Okay. Akshara, yes, Rihan, tell me.
Even for me decimals.
Okay, decimal and all, no problem. Don't worry all about it. So you all touched. So you have something to discuss on that. That's what I need. Anjali, how about you? And Akshara, how about you?
So basically on the mental math,
Yep.
it was this Arabic numerals thing that I don't know.
It was Arabic numeral. Okay, I will touch them, but you touched. Okay, how about you, Kamala and Ananya ji?
Okay.
What guys? I don't
I just
see.
got stuck on the division and the Arabic numerals.
So you also touched it. Okay. Srimitran has something to say. Akshara, how about you? Yes.
Not any.
So let's see.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I got
Yeah.
stuck of the decimals.
Okay, I'm going to bring that up. I'm going to go over the skills related to that because without that, it's hard for you to move on there as well. Let's see.
Priya, are you gonna teach us decimals?
Uh, First, we'll learn what is applicable to you. Let us see what we can. Okay. Based on however you guys observe, I'll go ahead and do. Okay. I don't have a problem in teaching more, but if it is too beyond, I will not. Make sense? Let's see. Let's see what works. Yeah. Good. Okay. How about this? How did you guys do this, guys? Quick. How did you guys do this? Yes, Vihan.
I at first I knew the 11 table and we know 33 34 equal to the same number. 34 equal to 7 and 34 equal to 7. So
So you
77.
no. You started with the 10th
Miss
digit or the
Priya,
one?
can I
Let me
explain? That's what I did.
let me
I
please
did.
finish. Let
Can
me
I?
please finish. Vihan is talking. We have to give him the turn. Go
So
ahead.
first I
I will
added the
next come to you.
tens.
Hmm.
I first added the tens which equal to 70 and then
Hmm.
I added the ones which also equal to
Seven.
7. So
Got
that
it.
now
Thank
it
you.
equal to 7 and 7 plus 7 and 70 plus 7 equals to 77.
Got it. Okay. Anjali, go now. Guys, if you all want to answer too, there is a raise hand button. Let's follow that and I'll clearly know who all wants to and I will not miss you. You got it? There's a raise hand button. Just click on it and wait. Okay. So let's be mindful of each other that way and I'll definitely make you do as well. Go ahead, Manjali.
Okay, so I did 3 plus 4 and that's 7 and I did this again and then 7 and then I put them together and it's 77.
My question is, did you start with the tens place or the ones place?
Tens.
Okay, good. Okay, now how about this, guys? Aru, you can go ahead and tell me how you did this.
Video. So you do 4 times 1, which is 4,
Mm.
and 4 times 6, which is 24, because and you add it together.
Okay, you did like that. Okay, I have a question here. Okay, let's go ahead and review this. Shankari, how did you do that? Anjali also has something to say. Go ahead. Shankari and Anjali, how did you do that? This one.
3.
This one.
I did I did 4 plus 4, which is 8, and 8 times 6 is 48.
Aha! Anjali, did you forget our okay, I'll teach you. I'll go over this. There's something called
Can I say how I did it?
you can, Amma. Go ahead.
So I did 4 times 6, which is 24, and then 24 plus 4, which is 28. That's how I did it.
Okay, but why did you do this first? Anjali did this, right? Why did you do that?
I just know.
You
I know
just
why.
uh,
I know I have to do times first.
so there is something called in mathematics, right? There is something called there is an Aunt Sally. I'll tell you her story. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Will you all remember this?
Yeah.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay. She's a nice auntie. Go ahead, Abihan. What is it?
There's also something called Badmas. B.
I don't want Bodmas. No, no, no. We are not going to confuse that with this. Okay. Please. Now let's go ahead with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Taking this itself is a little more. Okay. I don't want to confuse with two, three things here. Okay. So let's go ahead with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay. So when you go with this, right, this stands for parenthesis. This stands for exponent. You don't need to know this first. Okay, parenthesis is this. Anything you see, any operation that falls within these, right? These two, right? These two sign. This is called parenthesis. Okay, guys, I really want you to understand the difference between all this. What is this? What is this? What are these? This is called parenthesis. Okay, what is this called? The second one. You should not say I don't know when somebody asks you. What is that? Who's going to give me? Whatever your thoughts are.
Is it
Yes.
brackets?
Square brackets. It's like a square, right? So it stands for square brackets. What is that?
Squiggly brackets?
Yes, curly braces. Got it? So, curly braces. So now, this is okay, we will follow. See, Aunt Sally is really going to help us when we find the value of expressions. These are called numerical expressions, numbers, right? So we call them number expressions. Instead of calling number expressions, we become a little sophisticated and call them numeric expressions. Numeric expressions. We are finding the values of those numeric expression, or we are trying to evaluate the value, meaning you're finding the value of that. In those cases, our Aunt Sally is going to help you. Okay, there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent here, nothing is seen. When you come to the next one, multiplication and division are given the topmost priority. You see, both are equal, one is not less than the other. One always multiplication division are on the same bench. There is no difference between them. Similarly, addition and subtraction are on the same bench. However,
Is the Miss Priya?
Yeah,
Is the next one adding and subtracting?
yeah, that is addition and subtraction. However, guys, if you're given like this, which one will you do first?
We will. Can I say it?
Go ahead.
So you can. I think you can do it in order, like 4 times 4, and then divide by 2.
Not really. Yeah, that's right. So here, multiplication and division, when it comes, right, there is no, both are equal. Both are like sisters. So they are completely equal, right? So what you do, you go from left to right. This is your left, this is your right, right? So you go from left to right. 4 times 4 is 16. Divide by 2. What is that? Okay, I'll come back to that. 8. However, the other way, see, you can say 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8, which is, okay, here both are one and the same. But if you have, let's say if you have, I don't know. Okay, how about this? I don't think you'll get the same thing, right? So this is 256 divided by 2, 1, 2, 8. Whereas when you go like this, 8, 6, 8. See? Okay, okay. So both are, okay. Sometimes the values differ. So when you have multiplication and division, okay, you always go from left to right. When you have addition and subtraction, 4 plus 4 minus 2, which one will you do first? You'll go from left to right. You go from left to right. Okay, that is always the order, and you have to remember Aunt Sally whenever you see expressions in mathematics. Now, guys, how many of you know division? Raise your hand if you know division. If you just know division, basic division. Niviana, you don't know division?
Division, oh.
Okay. Vihan, you don't know division, Vihan?
I know what this is bits, but I don't know fully. I know
You don't
what
know fully.
division is.
Okay, how about this? 40, see, okay, let's see this one. 4 divided by 2. How do you find it? You don't know division, right? The easiest way is 2 times what is 4? Do the reverse. 2 times what is 4? 2. Now 16 divided by 2. How do you do this? 2 times what is 16?
8.
8. Do you see it? So otherwise what you're doing is 16. Let's say I have the number 16. This is my big number 16. Right? You're splitting it into 2, 2, 2, 2. You're splitting always refer to division. Okay, you're splitting as 2, 2, 2. This is our whole 16, right? Now, how many pieces are there? How many 2's are there? That's what they're asking. How many 2's are there in 16? There are 8 2's in 16. So here, there are 8 2's in 16. But is there anything remaining? Is there anything remaining?
No.
No. So that is called the remainder. Whatever remains is called the remainder. That is 0 here. Whereas, see, 54 divided by 5. When you think about 5, right? 5. Let's go ahead with stating how 5 meaning. When you go on telling
Miss
5 times
Priya.
1, 5 times 2. Let me finish. 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6. When you go on telling that, what pattern do you see?
It's just 5050 for the
50, 50, 50. But here there is a 54. So what will remain? What do you think will remain?
4.
4. That's it. Now, let me ask you this. What is the remainder when I divide 73 by 2? What is the remainder, Kamala?
Wait, Auntie,
Yeah.
for question number 5, what is the remainder of 54 divided by 5?
You
Could
tell me.
also be 1.
Why would it be? Let's see. 5, right? Let's talk out about let's talk out the tables of 5. Let's think out loud. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What pattern do you see, Maditi?
It's 5050.
50, 50, 50. So when you come near this, what would happen? 50 might come, right? After that, 55 might come. So what will remain? 50 is taken out means what will remain?
Oh, is it the first?
Correct. What will remain?
4.
That's it. You got it?
So it would be the first closest number.
Yes. Nice, Aditi, to stop me and ask what you did not understand. I really like if you do that. Okay. Now let's see this one. 73 divided by 2. Who thinks you know?
You know,
You know, Shadia? Okay, go ahead.
the remainder is 1.
How do you know?
Because 2 times 30 is 60, and then well, I actually did like like you put like a line and then you put 73 and then 2 times 3 is 7 and then there'll be a remainder of 1. So that becomes the 3 becomes 13 and then 2 times 6 is 12 and there'll be another remainder and the remainder will be 1.
Yeah, but the easier way is what? When you go 2, 4, like that, I'll go with the tables of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Please see the pattern. I really want you guys to observe the pattern. I really want somebody to explain the pattern as well. 12, 14, 16, 18,
Miss
20,
Priya.
22. What is the pattern?
What is the pattern?
It's always end at 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0.
I see. So, Aradhya, did you see that it always ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In between, there's only one number. You see? So, what are these type of numbers? What are these type of digits?
Even numbers.
Even. But here, when you think about it, I have given you an odd number. So, what remains? In between this, I'm sorry, guys. In between, there is only one number. If you think about it, in between, there's only always one number. So, what remains, Ananya ji? What remains?
3.
You think it's 3? Let's try to find out. Okay. She thinks it's 3. I'm going to write out for her. Let's see. 1 minute, Amma. 1 minute, 1 minute. Please don't be in a hurry. She thinks the remainder is 3. But from that remainder 3, you can take away another 2, right, Ananya?
Oh.
You go on taking away. Taking away is division or splitting. The 3 you have with you. Three numbers you have, right? In that, can I take away 2 again? What remains?
1.
1. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Now let's see. How about 105 divided by 2? What is the remainder? I'm sorry, guys. What is the remainder, Nivyana? What is the remainder when 105 is divided by 2?
Miss Priya,
Yes, Srimitran.
can I tell?
Go ahead.
1.
1. Good job. Why? Because 100. It ends with a 0. The next one is 102. The next one is 104. Remember our pattern. 0, 2, 4, 106. This is coming in between. So what remains? I would have taken away 104. Meaning 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Like that I keep on removing 2 from here. I would have ended up with 104. I would have removed 104. What will remain? Only 1 will remain. I don't have another 2 to take out.
Priya auntie,
Yes, ma.
when you divide something by 2, will the remainder always be 1?
Yes, good finding. Who said that? Aditi, was it you?
Yeah.
Yes. The remainder will always be 1 because if you increment it or decrement it, that 2 will go evenly in those numbers.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
So if the remainder is always going to be 1 if you divide by 2, will the quotient always be the same or different?
Quotient will be different. Quotient is your answer, right? How many 2s are there in 105 answers the quotient.
Okay.
How many 2s are in 105? That answers the division problem. But I am asking what remains. I'm not asking about the answer for the problem. I'm asking what is the remainder.
Auntie, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can. Now, she brought up a nice fact. Okay, what was the fact? Whenever any number is divided by 2, is the answer, the remainder always 1? The remainder can be 1 or 0. So when you divide by 2, the remainder can be 0 or 1. So what will happen when you divide by 3? What can be the remainders? Who can say? What can be the remainders? It doesn't have to be 105. If any number is divided by 3, what can... See the pattern. Pattern observation is very important in mathematics. You divide by 2, the remainders can be 0 or 1. So if you divide by 3, what happens?
Can it be 2 or 2 or 3. Or 3.
If the remainder is 3, can't I take away another 3 from there?
2 or 0?
0.
Or 2?
1, 2. If I divide by 4, what can be the possible remainders?
3, 2, 1 or 0.
0, 1,
0, 1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
If I divide by 7, what can be the possible remainders?
0, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 6.
0 to 6, because if I increment another 7, that 7 can be taken out.
And then
So the
it'll be
remainder
0.
becomes 0. You got it? So if you divide by 12, what can all be the possible remainders?
0 to 11.
Exactly, 0 to 11.
So
See, so if
0
your
to
answer,
11.
if ever you answer, let's say I divide a number by 5 and ask, divide a number by 6 and ask you what is the remainder. Remember that your answer cannot exceed 5. You got it? But now, let me confuse you a little bit. If I ask you, what is half of 46? What is that?
23.
23.
23.
Okay, now I want to go by names, guys, if you don't mind, okay? What is half of 86? Division by 2 is very easy. It's only halving.
Yeah.
What is 86 divided by 2, Ananya? Ananya V.
I know.
You have to tell, you have to be on top. I'll call you, you have to be on top. Go ahead, ma. Ananya V, go ahead.
43.
43. Good job. What is 106 divided by 2, Srimitran?
Can I answer?
53. Good job. What is 142 divided by 2, Shankari?
5 by 2.
Halving, half the number.
Is it 50? 5?
Why 55? 142 divided by 2. Say, okay, Shankari, I'll give you a quick method. 2 can't go in 1. 2 can't go in 1, meaning there are no 2's in 1. So take up 14. How many 2's are there in 14? Tell me, ma, answer the question. How many 2's are?
7.
7. So is there any carry? No. So there is no carry. The number is 0, 2. How many 2's are there in 2? 1. So there are 71 2's in 142, or half of 142 is 71. Did you get it? Other way of, 1 minute, let me finish. Other way of doing it is, Shankari, it's only halving, right? So split the number into 142. Half of this is 50. Half of this is 21. Add both of them together. 71 is your answer. Halving is very easy. Yes, ma. Now I will listen to your questions. Go ahead.
So multiplication is repeated addition. So is division repeated subtraction?
Exactly. Multiplication is repeated addition. You learned addition, subtraction. Multiplication is you repeatedly add the numbers. We have seen, so many bluekets we did as repeated addition. There were questions like this. What is this? So immediately what did you do? 2 times 5, right? So it's repeated addition. However, if I go on removing, right? What is that? Instead of this, I can say 102 divide by, repeatedly you're dividing by 2, right? You go on. So when you go on dividing by 2, when this 102 will become 0. So other way of asking is, how many 2's are there in 102? How many 2's are there in 102? How many 2's are there in 102?
51.
51. Good job. Okay. Now, when multiplication by tens are easy, did you all observe that?
Yeah.
What is 250 times 10, Aradhya? What is 250 times 10?
I know a way to do it.
1 minute, Anjali, you have to wait. When I call upon somebody, you have to wait. What is 250 times 10? Aradhya.
2,500.
2,500. Good job. Okay, Ananya ji wants to answer. How about 350 times 100, Ananya ji? You're just going to multiply just the non-zero digits.
Oh.
Go ahead, I'll help you. Multiply and tell me what is this 35 times 1?
35.
And then what do you do?
Oh. 3,500.
Is this 3,500, lady?
3,000.
From the end. What is this? What period is this? 35,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How about okay, let me ask you this, okay? 30 times 20. Who's going to try answering this? Anjali, tell me, ma.
So 3. So anything times 2 is it's like is 3, like it's double. So 3 times 2 would be 6, and then 6 with 2 zeros next to is 600.
Good job, guys. So you know all of this, right? From next week, I'm going to reassign this homework. What you're all going to do is, I really want you guys not to miss any questions. You're going to finish the first 15 questions. Put a 3-minute timer for yourself, or put a 5-minute timer for yourself. In 5 minutes, I want you to finish till 15 questions. You all got it?
But Miss Priya,
Uh.
can you explain the Arabic numerals?
I don't want to go there. I really want you to complete 15 within 5 minutes. First, I'll give you Arabic numerals is something not at all related to what we are learning. And I want you to look at the Arabic numerals pattern. I'll give you a cheat sheet. You look at it, come back, so that we don't waste too much time on that. Is that okay, Anjali?
Okay.
I can give you a heads up. You see what I mean? Meaning, I'll tell you. The thing is, right now we are following this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The Romans, right, they started whenever, meaning initially during early years, when Romans were there, they used these notations for 1, this notation for 2, this notation for 3. 5, they used a V. It is so confusing. It's a V. And for 4, what did they do? It's all about patterns. For 4, what did they do? 1 less than 4. 1 less than 5. I'm sorry. 1
Miss
less
Priya,
than 5. Yes.
Miss
let's
Priya.
have 6.
6. Go ahead. 6. See, it is all pattern. 6.
Miss Priya.
It is V1, like
V1,
Miss
because
Priya.
1 after 5.
Miss
7.
Priya. Miss Priya.
Wait a minute. 7. Wait a minute. Let me
Is it
finish.
V and then 2 ones?
Yes, V and 2 ones is 7. What should be for 8, Aditi? Akshara, what should be for 8? Aditi or Akshara?
V and 3 1.
V and 3 ones. But now, let me see how many of you are careful. 9. Niviana, you want to try?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What can come
Miss
for 9?
Priya,
Yes.
I know
A
what
line
what's
and
the
then an
answer.
X.
I know what's the answer.
What is it?
1x.
Why 1x?
Because it's like 10 is x and it's like 1 minus x.
Exactly. 1 before 10. Meaning you take away 1 from 10. So that is 1x. See, the thing is, they followed so many. See, for 5, they used a V. For 10, they use the x. Okay, those are the 2 benchmarks.
Miss
1 before
Priya.
means you add the 1 before. 1 after is after. 2 after, 3 after. But don't put for 9, don't put V followed by 4 once. No, they don't want to make it big. They want to shorten it. So they assigned for 5 and 10, and then they went 1 back, 1 back. You got it?
Miss
So
Priya.
now tell me, guys, for 12. Yes, ma.
I only know all of this.
Nice. Okay.
Miss Priya.
Miss Priya. Miss Priya.
Miss Priya, 12 is.
Ma, wait, ma. Srimitran, wait, ma. Shankari, go ahead.
Can I tell what 100 is?
Wait, let me see for 12. Who knows for 12? Yes, Vihan, tell me.
12 is X2.
X2. Now, Srimitran, what did you want to say? Go ahead.
I know what is 50.
50. He wants to say for 50. Let's listen to him. Go ahead. Go ahead, ma. Go ahead.
L.
L. Good job. Now, let me ask you this. What is 40, Srimitran? You have to tell. No discussion now. What is 40?
Can I
Let me give you a clue. Let me give you a clue, Srimitran. 10 less than 50. 10 less than 50.
1L.
10 less than 50. 10 less than 50. It's not 1 less than 50. It's 10 less than 50.
Can I say?
XL.
XL, because 10 less than 50. Good job. Okay, what can be 51? Shankari, tell me. What can be 51?
L1.
L1. Good job, guys. Now, see, I already gave you nice clues. I showed you pattern. Let me see. I just want you to tell me what is this number? What is this number?
Can I say?
Why don't you all chat with me on this number? What is this number? That way I know who did not understand. Tell me the answer to this number. What is that number in Roman numerals? That's all. I'm going to move on now after this. What is that number? XX triple one. X triple one. Aradhya said she knew it already. Good job, Aradhya. Good job, Sri Mitran. Good job, Shreyank. Good job, Kamala. Good job. Aru. Nice, Aru. You have written it for the last answer. Nivyana, good job. Vihan, good job. Aru correct, Aditi correct, Adya correct. Akshara, why ma? Why am I not getting? Aru, what is going on, Aru? Aru, Aru, I know why you have made the mistake. But you have to add them and tell the final number. Don't tell this is 10, this is 10.
I didn't know you're supposed to add it.
I know, but don't do that. You have to add and tell me.
Miss Priya, how do you send it?
Yes, ma, correct. Yes. You have
How
to
do you
send it in
send
chat.
it?
Correct, Aru. In chat, ma.
Yeah, but it says it's not letting me.
No, ma, go open your chat window, press on the plus button, and then chat with me.
How do you?
Okay, Anjali, you don't know how to chat with me, but you are answering. How about this? Can you reply to my chat? Okay. Why Ananya G and Ananya, why are you girls not answering? Did you answer or I didn't see?
It's not letting me.
Why it will not let you? It will let you. You're not seeing properly. I'm telling, right? Open the chat window. There is a plus button. Can you click on that and then send a message to me?
answered.
I saw Ananya ji. You sent it to me just now. Good job. Anjali, correct, ma. Hey Ananya, were you able to do?
No.
See, I'm wasting too much time talking now. Ananya ji, where are you? I don't even see you. What is going on? Ananya, you didn't even say one answer. Wait a minute. Okay, now can you answer me? For this question, I really want an answer from. Hey, Ananya, for this question, I want an answer from you. Quick, come on. Reply to my chat. Okay, how about this? All the others, you can go ahead and answer this question. Okay. So till guys, okay, how about this? I did not discuss with you this. What is 15 times 32? What is 15 times 32?
Can I answer?
Yes, Shankari. How do you do? Tell me first. Good job, Ananya.
So I do the 2 times 5 first.
Wait a minute. I really want to go over this. Sorry, Shankari. I will come back and ask again. 15 times 32 is, see, this 10 can be split into 10 and 5, right? 10 and 5. Multiplying anything by 10 is easy. That's why I'm taking away the 10. 10 and 5. Now, 32 times 10 is what, guys? What is 32 times 10?
Is it 320?
320. What is 32 times 5? Is it hard? Okay, I'll give you another clue.
Is it 100?
This is 30 and 2. Can we do this? What is 30 times 5? What is 30 and 5? What is 30 times 5?
150. 150.
150. What is 5 times 2?
10.
10. Add everything together. That's all.
Is it 470?
Yes, that's all. So splitting, multiplying makes big number multiplications very, very easy, guys. How about 14 times, let me give you this. How about this? 15 times 30. What is this? Quick.
Is it
Shreyank, I want you to try. What is 15 times 30? You can shout out, Shreyank. You can send in chat, Ananya. Then I'll know that you know, right, Ananya? Shreyank, I'm waiting, Shreyank. Shout out. Good job, Shankari. Srimitran, I didn't get your answer. Hey, Shreyank, shout out, Amma.
300.
You think it's 300? What is 15 times 3? What is 15 times 3?
1.
15 times 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 50.
150.
450. Good job. Okay. Now, that's how you do. Now, multiplication by 11 is always easy. Today, I will go over it. But you have to remember next week when I ask you, you should be able to say. You got it? 38 times 11 is very, very easy, guys. 38 times 11. We can do till 100, okay? The same strategy can be used till 100. This is very easy, but I want you to follow. Before I do this, what is 22 times 11? Can I show you quick? It's very easy. Copy the 2 here, copy the 2 here. Add both together. That's your answer. You got it?
Yeah.
How about this? 21 times 11. Who's going to answer? Quick. Go ahead, quick. What is answer? Shout out.
232.
230? 1. Okay. Now how about 14 times 11? Quick shout out, ma.
Yeah,
154.
154. Yes.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it? I copy the 1, I copy the 4, add both together, write it out here. Anjali, did you get it? How about this? Okay, now I'm going to do something. I'm going to show you something. You're going to listen. 28 times 11. What will be the answer? Come on, guys.
Is it 308?
2 and 8 I'll write here. Now when I add them, that goes to 2-digit number.
Is it
So the 10, I will write it and carry the 1 becomes 308. Shankari, your expectation is, your guess is correct. Okay, so when you have a 2-digit number, when you add, you put the unit digit here and carry it and find out the answer. Now what is 38 times 11? 38 times 11. Aru, can you answer? Aru, can you answer? 38 times 11.
40. Wait,
Correct.
40.
Be careful. Write it down if you want to. 38 times 11. What is 44 times 11, Shreyank? Shreyank, what is 44 times 11? What is 56 times 11, Niviana?
It's. Wait, what was the question?
What is 96 times 11, Vihan? I've given you questions.
Is 38 times 11
Good job, Srimitran.
4,118.
4,000? Why 4,000?
4. 1,000.
Shreyank, good job. Shreyank.
1,000. Yeah, 1,000.
Shreyank, good job. Hey, Aru, see ma, 3 and 8 I'm going to copy. And then add 3 and 8. 11, right? 11, but then put a 1 here, add the carry, this becomes 418.
So 15.
Makes sense? Yes, Vihan, I'm watching you. This is correct, Shreyank. Niviana, did you come up with your answer or not?
Yeah, I didn't do that.
What is the answer?
Is it 100?
Vihan, I'm listening. Anjali, 30 is not the Anjali? Yes, ma. Niviana. Vihan, correct.
That was for another answer.
Still, that's fine. I got it. Vihan, what is the answer here, Vihan?
The answer is 1,056.
1056. Good job. Okay, so that's how you do the multiplication there. Okay. Okay, this one you know, this one you know, this one you know. Now, for you to add this, who's going to help
Can
me
I
with
help?
whatever we have already discussed? You cannot invent anything, meaning you have to use the strategy that we discussed on these.
Can I?
It helps a lot. Yes, do you know, do you remember the strategy, Shankari?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Is it the all tens thing?
Yes.
So you do 110 plus 3 tens plus 5 tens is four no it's 8 tens.
Good job.
And
8
then,
tens and then 9.
6 and 4 make a 10, so it's going to be 9 tens. And 90 and 8, so it's going to be 98.
Good job. So easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. How about this, Nivyana? You can explain to me.
So 4 plus 3 makes 7 tens.
Mm-hmm.
And then 6 plus 2 makes 8 tens. I mean 8 ones.
Good, nice. Thank you. Guys, okay. So do till here, guys. That's more than enough. I did not discuss CD. I know that. So do till here. That's enough. Okay. Okay, guys. Or do till here. 15 questions are enough. Okay. For now, it's okay because this will take away our class time. Usually, that's what happened with them as well. But some of them coped up a lot. They are coming up nicely. So I thought for the fourth graders, they are coming up nicely. You should also cope with mental math quickly, is what I thought. So I brought it up. Okay, now let's go ahead. That is a lot. Okay, now I don't know. I did not ask you if you have questions, but I'm going to move on. Let's see. Let me review what you know. How about this? How did you all do this one? Who can explain? 76 times 9. Uh, Aradhya, Aradhya, you want to explain? Akshara, why don't you explain this for me, ma? Akshara, Aradhya. Kamala, you never explain anything.
Can I explain?
Yeah, I'm going to. I have called out, right? Kamala, Akshara, and Aradhya. I need answers, ma. You're not going to make the class wait. One of you should shout out. Thanks, Akshara. Go ahead.
224.
How do you know, ma? Wow, how do you know? Impressive, Akshara. You keep so quiet. Tell me. Please explain to us. We're all waiting. Are you doing or is Ishan helping? You're doing? You're doing or is Ishan is helping? Tell me, ma. Akshara, I'm waiting for you to answer, Akshara.
First, I did 56 plus 56. Then I did, and then that equals 112. So then I added 112 plus 112,
Oh,
which is
wow.
24.
Super clever. What she did was she split this 2. So she doubled this and then doubled that. She doubled this. 56 plus 56 is 112. And then she doubled 112. Great. Times 4. Whenever you see a times 4, double, double.
Miss
That's a good
Priya,
one. Yes, ma.
I have another strategy too.
I'm going to move on to Aradhya and Kamala now. I'm going to come back to you. Go ahead.
Orange.
Go ahead. Aradhya, go ahead, ma. Aradhya, go ahead. You want to do this one or you want me to simplify this? 56 times 5 maybe? You want to do that? Go ahead. Whichever is easy.
Kamala.
Aradhya. Can you explain this, ma Kamala? You just came in again. Aradhya, please, ma.
So I
Okay, I can make it for you this one. How about this one? Aradhya, go ahead with this one, ma. Aradhya, I have to move on, Aradhya. Kamala, can you go ahead with yours? Sri Mitran, can you help with explaining this, Sri Mitran?
which sum?
This one.
Okay. I'll do like 9 times 7. That 9 times 70. That's 630. And I'll do 9 times 6. And that is 54. So I added like 630 plus 54. And I made 684.
Good job. Thank you. Okay, now go ahead. I really want somebody else to answer. Who? Ananya ji, yes. Which one do you want to explain, Ananya ji?
101 times 23.
You're going to explain that? Kamala, then you take one of this. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So first you do
You split 101 as 101. Okay. And then multiply 23 with each. What will happen?
so 100 times 2 is 200.
100 times 23 is what? 23 times 1 is what, Ma?
23.
Yeah. And then what do you do?
Add 2 zeros, which is 2,300. And then you do 2,300 times plus 23.
What is the answer?
Which is 2,323.
Good job. Okay. Kamala, can you explain 56 times 5? Kamala, what is 56 times 5, Kamala?
I don't want to explain.
Okay, you don't know. Okay. Aditi, you want to explain 23 times 4 or 56 times 5?
Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll explain 50 times 5.
Okay, go ahead.
First you do 5 times 5.
Can we split as 50 and 6? Go ahead.
Yeah. First you do 5 times 50, which is
just multiply the numbers.
250.
Good.
And then 5 times 6, which is 30, which equals 280.
Wow, good job, lady. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now Anjali and Ananya and Shankari, they all want to explain something. So I'm going to. How about the 7 times 42? Yes, Anjali, go ahead.
So you wait. You can't split. So you can split 42 into 40 and 2. So then you do 40 times 7. So an easier way is to do 4 times 7, which is 28, and then 28 with the 0 is 280. 280. So then 2, and then so 2 times 7 is 14. And then you have to do 280 plus 14, which is 294.
Nice. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the harder part. Okay. How about
Miss Priya?
Yeah, ma.
That was the same explanation I was gonna do.
Let me please move on. Okay, then I cannot finish the class as well. How about this? 15 times 6 plus 5 times 6. What is it? Who is going to explain? Shankari, you please feel free to explain this. I would be happy. Go ahead.
So you do 15 times 6.
No, I don't want you to do 15 times 6 first. What is it in here? This is multiplication, this is multiplication, this is addition. So there is some property that is very famous in mathematics where you can use that. See what is see what these are split by pluses or minuses. When things are split by pluses and minuses,
Boy, still here. Turn off your Bluetooth.
you can you can see what is common. What is common between these two, Shankari? You're going to assist me. Go ahead. What is common between these two?
That
You tell me.
there's,
See this. Look at this. 15 times 6. Meaning, see, plus and minus. This is called a term. This is called a term. We are going to call these as terms. Whatever is split with pluses and minuses, those are terms. Now, what is common between this term and this term, Shankari? You're going to assist me. Go ahead.
that there's on the right, it's 5 times 6.
I'm
And
asking,
on the-
please. My question is, what is the number that's common between these two terms?
That there's 6 in both of them.
There is 6 in both of them. I am going to take that out. I am going to take that out. When I take it out, I will use a parenthesis. Now, what is left over? If I take the 6, what is left over here, Shankari?
15.
15. And then I have the
And
addition piece. I took out the 6, so don't take that. Plus. And what is remaining here in this term?
5.
5. So what is 15 plus 5?
20.
20. You know what? I took out the 6, right? When there is no operation, it means I'm multiplying. 6, what is 6 times 20, Shankari?
120.
120. See how easy it is. Why, you know? Basically what I said, 15 times 6, 5 times 6. What did I tell you? 15 times 6, I am asking you to add 6 15 times, and again I am asking you to add 6 5 times. Instead, I can go ahead and add 6 20 times. That's what I am doing here. That is why I took the 6 as common and then added these to 20 times 6. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Now let's try this one. If I give you this 15 times, 6 times 15 plus 5. You know what? If you're seeing something like this where there is no operation, it means it's multiplication. Okay. But think of this. There is a parenthesis, right? This is considered as a family. This is like an ice cream. When I give ice cream, I have to give out to all the members of the family. So I distribute this ice cream here. What is 6 times 15? And then what is 6 times 5? 6 times 5 is 30. What is 6 times 15? 60 plus 30? 90. So 90 plus 30 is 120. Did you see both answers match?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? You're distributing an ice cream to the members of the family, right? That's why this sort of doing multiplication by distributing is called distributive property. Distributive property. This is so important.
Miss Priya,
Distributive property. Yama?
I learned distributive property in school.
See? Suppose if you add 2 and 3, the same thing is 3 plus 2, right? You are just commuting. Commuting means traveling, making the 2 travel here, 3 travel here, right? Both are one and the same. When you can commute, right? The numbers are commuting from one place to another, right? This is called commutative property of addition. Commutative property.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, yeah, go ahead, Aradhya.
I didn't understand.
You are just commuting 2 to 3 and see 2 you are making it to travel to the end, 3 you are bringing it in front, right? Both are one and the same, right, Aradhya? So this is called commutative property on addition. Aradhya, did you get it? No. Aradhya, you have to answer quickly, ma. Okay, I have to move on. Now let's see. How about this? If I do this, 4 plus 3 plus 5, which one should I do first, Niviana? Which one should I do first?
You should do the parenthesis first.
Exactly, I'll do the parenthesis first. And then what I do?
You do 4 plus 8 and 4 plus A.
What is the answer, ma? Go ahead.
12.
12. Good job. Now let's do this in another way. Okay. Anjali, do you want to take this? I'm going to do it in another way. What I'm going to do? I'm going to put the parenthesis elsewhere. Okay, Anjali, go ahead and do this one. Which one will you do first? Hey, Anjali, you're muted and you're talking. How can I hear?
Oh, you did the one in the parentheses.
Uh-huh.
So that's 7, and then 7 plus 5,
Is
which is 12.
12. So guys, when you look at this closely, right? See, I'm associating. See, these are definitions you're learning. You're associating 3 with 5 first and then adding the 4. In this case, on the right side, you're associating 4 with 3 and then the 5. The way you associate numbers is very different in both the cases. Still, they get you the same answer. This is called associative property of addition. Associative property in addition. Now, what did we learn? We learned two properties. We learned three properties indeed. One is commutative property. Commutative property. What do you think about this? 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. You just commute the numbers from one place to the other. Commute means travel the numbers to different places. It is correct. But this property works on addition. Does it work on subtraction? Will it work on subtraction?
No.
Will it work with
No.
subtraction? Is there a commutative property in subtraction?
No.
Why?
Because
Why? 2
because
minus 3 is
one
just
number
equal to-
can be bigger than the other one, and then it will go to the negatives.
Exactly. So this does not exist. 2 minus 3 is not the same as 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is just 1. But you cannot take away 3 from 2. So commutative property exists only for addition. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me ask you a quick question. How about this? 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2. What is this property called, Aditi? What is this property called? We were discussing, right? We were associating numbers differently. What is this property called? Try. What is this property called?
Associative property
Associative property on what? What is the operation?
on addition and subtraction.
Yes, on addition. We are not subtracting here. You got it?
Yeah.
Associative property on addition. Now, how about this? Srimitran, what is this called? What is this property? Family members, I'm giving ice cream for. What is that called? What you're doing? You're distributing the ice cream to the members of the family. So what is it called?
Distribute property.
Distributive property on what operation? What is the operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What is that you're doing inside the parenthesis?
Addition.
Addition. See, the terms are hard, but it's still pretty easy. How about this? 3 times 59 plus 3 times 9. Who's going to help me with this?
Can
this is
I?
a term. This is a term. I want somebody else to take up. Shreya, can you explain? Kamala, you want to do? No, Shreya, go ahead. Go ahead.
Plus 9 plus 3.
Here, you're going to take away the 3, ma. You're going to take away the 3. Okay. Take away the 3. And then what? What is left over here, Shreyank?
side this.
59 is left over in this. And then what is left over here?
9.
9. So what do you do with the 59 and 9? 59 plus 9 is what?
59 plus 9 is 68.
Times 3 is what?
Times 3
Uh,
is
let me split 60 and 8.
8 3s are 21.
8 3s are 24. And then 60 times 3 is?
60.
60 times 3 is?
60 times 3 is 180.
180 plus 24 is what?
180 is 204.
Good job. So how about this, guys? Let me see. 8 times 23 plus 8 times 3. Who's going to tell me? Aru, can you tell me this?
So you're doing 8 times, so it's like
8 times what?
23 or 3.
So when you add
You need to do 23 plus 3, which is 26.
how do you multiply 8 and 26? How do you multiply 8 and 26?
You split 20 and
20 and 6. So what do you do?
so 8 times 2 is 16, and you add 0, 100. And 8 times 6 is 48. So 160 plus 40 is 208.
Good, nice, guys. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Okay, homework will be on associative property of addition, commutative property of addition, and distributive property. Okay, you can only do page number 83 in the book. Go ahead.
What's the page number?
Only 83, guys. 83 you can do. Okay, 87, 83 you can do for now. Okay.
So the page numbers are 82 only?
Yeah, I will check and put it in the Google Classroom. What else you can do, I have to see. Yeah, I'll put it in the Google Classroom, Mama. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. It was nice. A lot of things. See you all next week, guys. If you have
Priya,
questions,
what was that page number again?
I will put it in Google Classroom. I have to verify. I feel like you can do 1 or 2 more pages. I will look at it and put it out. Okay. 83 definitely I'll add. Okay. 83 and some other pages I will do. Okay. Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye,
Miss
ma'am.
Priya. Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye. You're welcome.
Miss
Bye-bye. Nice. Have a
Bye,
nice
Miss Priya.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Kamala. Hi, guys. How are you all?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, Kayura. Nice to see you after a long time.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi. Hi, Nabiha. Good to see you. You're up there today. I know, right? Daylight savings really helps.
Yeah.
I know. It was for me too. Okay. I'll just go there. Let's see. I'm a little off, guys. Okay, we have to cover a lot more in quadrilateral. Okay, trapezoids and kites. Any questions, Amma? Any questions on trapezoids and kites?
No.
One second. I really want to revise a little bit. Not everything, but yeah, let's see. How about this, guys? Okay, this is just a review, guys. Let's see how you do based on what we discussed last week, based on the homework that you did. You're going to find out WT, a review, ma. Definitely, this is just a review. Kayura, you may not know this. It's still okay for you. Okay. WT, you have to find WT if ZX equal to 20, TY equal to 15. Go ahead, ma. Did you guys? Mitransh, hey, Mitransh, what is the problem with the time, amma, Mitransh? Do you have some conflict going on?
No.
Okay. No, your mom was asking, so I asked. Okay, I got only one answer. What's going on? Mitransh had the answer. Who else? Did you all send the answer or no? I'm just wondering. What's going on in school, Sahana? You got it, guys? I'm waiting for your answer. Please let me know, guys. Did you get it? Yeah. Sahana, correct, ma. Hey, did you get it? Nabiha, did you get it? Vinisha?
I
Ashrita?
said my answer.
I'm still
I'm still
solving it.
solving. I'm still
Okay,
solving.
thanks, thanks. Srishti, I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm still solving it.
Okay, ma'am. I can add in more questions on trapezoids and kites. Polygon parallelograms I have not done, right? Okay, let's see. Angles of triangle, isosceles, that we have not done as well. Okay, let's see. Srishti. No, not really Srishti. Mitransh, you want to explain this? Hey, Ashrita, did you get your answer? Sahana, did you get your answer?
Yeah, you said it was right.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Dhruv, did I miss checking your answer, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Yes, Dhruv. You got it.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Oh, Vinisha sent. How come I'm not seeing? Sorry, Ma. I think I missed seeing yours. Definitely, I did not see. Vinisha. Yes, your answer is right, Ma. Yeah, sure. Mitransh, you want to explain to us?
Um,
You want to explain?
sure.
Go ahead.
Is it correct?
What, Ma?
I edited my answer. Is it correct?
I can check. Hey, Mitransh, go ahead, Ma.
Okay, so like, can I write on the board?
Yeah, please. You don't
Alright.
have to ask, Mitransh.
So it's like
Mm,
ZX
uh,
20,
uh,
and then TY is 15.
uh-huh.
We just have to substitute 20 equals 15 plus
WT.
WT.
Nice. Why are you doing that? Can you tell us? Why
Because
are you doing this? Diagonals in a trapezoid are, in an isosceles trapezoid are
congruent,
congruent. Good job.
and then
Ashita, did that make sense?
WT equals Y.
Oh, you did it. Good job. Very nice. Thanks, Mitransh.
How do you clear?
I'll clear. Don't worry about it. Ashita, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I got that answer. I was just confused if they were congruent or not.
Oh, no worries. Yes, ma, you
Like
left
I
it on
got
the.
5, but I was just confused if that was right.
Okay. 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 Let's go ahead and do more. Trapezoid and kites I did, but I didn't do the rest. Okay. I don't want to keep revising, okay? Meaning I will lag if I do that, but I want to come back, revise more. Let me see. We'll go to parallelograms, guys, okay? What do you think? What is the definition of parallelogram? What is the definition of a parallelogram? You tell me. I'm listening.
Can I say?
Go ahead.
Two of the each like two of the sides are parallel to each other.
Yes, quadrilateral. So we will discuss only parallelograms. So it's a quadrilateral. Definition says it's a quadrilateral, four-sided figure with opposite sides parallel. There are two opposite sides when you think about it. Two pairs. So you end up with two pairs of parallel lines. Okay. Okay. So that's quite important on that. And then let's try to write a two-column proof. We'll do that. How about this? It's a good one. Okay. To start parallelograms, they can ask ton of proof. Okay. How about this? Let's start with a proof. Given a parallelogram PQRS, can you prove that P equal to R given a parallelogram PQRS? Given a parallelogram with PQRS, can you prove that P equal to R? Who is going to help me with this? Shall we do it together?
Miss Priya, wait, so since those two are parallel, like these lines are parallel, then wouldn't like these will be equal to each other since these two are also parallel?
1 minute. I really want a two-column proof, Dhruv.
Okay.
Step by step two-column proof. Go ahead. No. I'm okay with you doing it, but just go step by step so that we are not confused. Go ahead. Go ahead, Emma.
So first you have the given.
Uh-huh.
This would be given.
What is given?
Parallelogram PQRS.
Okay. Uh,
And then you can say
do you need an auxiliary line? What is an auxiliary line? Extra lines you draw to to prove things, right?
yeah,
Can you prove it?
Angle P and angle S are same side
the
interior.
same side. Because if for this line to be extended over here, then you'll
That
be
would
able
become
to,
the transversal.
these two are corresponding angles. So that means these two would be same side interior angles.
So what? There is nothing comes out of it, right? By saying that. We have to prove P is equal to R. Go ahead. Meaning maybe
I mean,
that I'm not seeing what you guys are seeing. You can tell me.
I mean, you can say like angle S equal to angle P. Angle S is supplementary to angle P because of
Angle S is supplementary to angle P, but I will not get anything because of that, right? By saying it's supplementary.
and then you can say angle S is supplementary to angle R. So then P and R would be, I don't know.
Why? Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Good job. Go ahead. Dhruv, let's write out your proof. Good job. Go ahead.
So angle P is supplementary to angle S
Angle P. Why?
because of same side interior angles.
Angle S are supplementary, he says. Okay. So the reasoning he says is same side interior angle theorem. Okay.
And then angle S
So we will
is
say P plus measure of angle P plus measure of angle 6 equal to 180. What is the reasoning?
a definition of supplementary.
Definition of supplementary angles. Okay.
And then what you do is angle S is equal to angle R. No, I mean angle S and angle P are supplementary.
Angle S and
Angle R, my bad.
angle R are supplementary. Good job.
Because of and because of the same side interior angle theorem.
Same side interior. Kayura, are you following, ma?
Yeah, I kind of remember this from last year, but I don't really.
Okay, get it. Okay, let's see. You're learning geometry in school?
No, they're making me redo algebra 1.
Ah, okay. I will
Yeah.
talk to you. I'll talk to you.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one, at the end of the class, I'll talk to you. Then the next one, Dhruv.
Then you say angle S plus measure of angle S plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 because of definition of supplementary.
Definition of supplementary angles. Then
And then you can substitute since angle R is equal to no angle R wait angle P plus angle R equal to
mm-hmm.
and,
That is not making sense here.
yeah.
No. There is, instead of saying that, what should you do? You are right, actually. But what should come there? There is one more theorem. I don't think you guys remember that. What does that say?
Transitive?
Compare this. Huh?
Transitive?
This is not
Substitution.
transitive. Hmm?
Substitute.
That's not
Wait.
substitution, right?
What angle measure of angle S plus measure of angle R is equal to measure of angle P plus measure of angle S. Because of substitution. Then you can
Which one? Where are you substituting?
so you're for over here, it's measure of angle P plus measure of angle S is equal to measure of angle S plus measure of angle R.
Okay. I'll go with you. I'll give it to you. Okay. It's not that you're incorrect at all. Okay. I have to accept you're right. But then when one angle is supplementary to another angle, when another angle is supplementary to the same angle, you see, here both S is common to both, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can clearly say measure of P is equal to measure of R by, the reason this is,
Subtraction.
No, okay. See, that's what I'm saying. Substitution, when you say it is substitution, I'll give it to you because I cannot say it is incorrect. But there is a theorem that we learned. If I remember right, I did tell this in class. Congruent supplements theorem. Wait, let me tell then. Congruent supplements theorem. Let me put up an example as well. Hold on. Usually this is forgotten every time. Wait, I'm going to bring it up. Congruent supplements theorem. I really want you to know. Similarly, you also have congruent complements theorem. I really want to bring that in. Okay, so see here, guys. This is a place where I can show you. This one we have already done, and you can very well use this. This is a very famous one. When you look at it, right, we did this earlier, but I don't know how many of you remember. It's hard to remember as well. See, if two angles are supplementary to the same angle, meaning, let's say angle 1, let's say angle 3. Okay, now angle 1 and 2 are supplementary, angle 2 and 3 are supplementary, means, see, measure of angle 1 and 2 is 180, 2 and 3 is 180, 2 is common to both, right? Then I can say 1 is equal to 3, and the reasoning is congruent supplements theorem. Similarly, when two angles are complementary, 4 and 5 are 90, again 5 is repeated here, do you see? Then I can say 4 is equal to 6. That is called congruent complements theorem. You got it? Congruent supplements theorem, congruent complements theorem are two famous theorems that we can use when there is one angle that's common to both, meaning the measure of these two equal to 180 degree and the measure of these two equal to 180 degree. This is common to both. Okay, so I can say 1 is equal to 3. Okay, you can write substitution as well, but these two are famous theorems. Congruent supplements theorem and congruent complements theorem is quite famous. You know what? Now if I go back, my proof is going, it's gone. Poof. I forgot to take a screenshot. Oh my gosh. So here, let me finish this, guys. Anyway, I did it, right? Statement proof. So initially it was given PQRS, given parallelogram. So he told me for this PQRS, sorry guys, proof is gone. PQRS, because I shared that, I forgot and shared that. So here, we'll go with Dhruv, okay? P is congruent to, what did you say? P plus S, right? P plus S is 180 degrees. So I said measure of P plus measure of S is equal to, he said is supplementary, right, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why they are supplementary? Same side interior. Same side interior angles. Then measure of P plus measure of S is equal to 180. Definition of supplementary angles. And then again you said S plus R. That's what you said, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
No, S and R are supplementary.
Yeah, are supplementary. So that was same side interior angles theorem.
And then I said angle.
And then measure of S plus measure of R is equal to 180 degrees. Definition of supplementary angles. Srishti, you're following, ma? So from these two,
Yeah.
you can say
I'm just
measure of P is equal to measure of R. What is this? Congruent supplements theorem.
Yeah. But the way I told you before you told us this, the way I said would just add another step, right?
Yeah, you are right. You said it's substitution, right?
Yeah, but like,
Yeah.
I mean, like, it would add another step, right? If I use that.
Sorry, what was that? Let me go with you. Go ahead. What did you want to
But
say?
so if I use like the substitution way, then would it add another step in the proof?
Yes, measure of, yes, this one, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that will be substitution.
And then
Then
subtract.
what? You remove, right? Then measure of S is equal to measure of R. What is the reasoning?
Measure P.
Oh, sorry, measure of, correct. Thank you, ma. So what is the reasoning you would say here? Subtraction property of equality, right? That is also correct. And then what?
And then you
And the last one, P
the
is congruent to R,
and then
definition of
definition of
congruent angles. Any questions, guys? Okay. Another way of proving this is, another way of, oh my God, I should not have done it. Okay. Another way of proving this is PQRS. See, look at it in different ways. It's so useful sometimes. This is also possible. Okay. So statement, proof, given, I'm sorry, statement reason, right? So given PQRS, okay, this is given. Now I drew the auxiliary line from P to Q, from S to Q. Now what I can say, can I say the we know, okay, what is that we know? Let me see. Alternate interior angles. Way to prove alternate. You can prove alternate interior angles as well easily. So, let's do this. This angle, this angle. Always this is very well known way of proving. Now we know PQ is parallel to SR, definition of parallelogram. Okay. And after that, you can say PQS is congruent to RSQ. Why? Alternate interior angles theorem, right? Okay, we proved that. And then what else to prove? Yeah, what else to prove? Yeah, I can say here PQ. So I can say angle, a measure of angle PQS is equal to measure of angle RSQ. When I say that, definition of congruent angles. And then the next one, what will I say? So I proved that, and then I'm going to prove this one. I'm going to say what is parallel to what? PS is parallel to QR, definition of parallelogram. Since they are parallel, I can say PSQ is congruent to SQR. You got it? So measure of PSQ is congruent to measure of SQR. In this case, this is congruent, right? Alternate interior angles theorem. If any of you are not able to follow, you have to immediately let me know. Definition of, oh sorry, this is measure means equal to, right? Definition of congruent angles. So we proved that these two angles are equal. What else? This one. Please, that is what we need to prove, right? What is the next one I can prove in this? What is the next one I can say? I can say this one, right? QS is congruent to SQ, right? Why? Reflexive property. Reflexive. I'm sorry. Reflexive property. Of equality. So QS is equal to SQ.
Hey, Miss Priya, why are we doing QS is congruent to SQ?
Why? Because I'm trying to prove the triangles are congruent. Triangle
Okay.
SPQ, right? SPQ is congruent to triangle what? SPQ is congruent to SRQ, right? Triangle SRQ, Y ASA congruence, and then you can always say angle P is congruent to angle R CPCTC. That is another way. Just to understand the different ways of looking at it. That's all.
long.
Yeah, it's very long. 100% I agree. Okay. Any questions? Sahana, are you with me, Sahana?
Yeah.
Can I move on? Kayura, are you able to follow?
Kinda, but I think if I just review it at home, I'll be able to
It'll
follow.
be good. Okay, let's see where we are. Okay, parallelogram, that was one group that I wanted to go ahead with. But let's see. How about this? Okay, now we discussed the definition of parallelogram. Okay, now what do you think about the angles of a parallelogram? Meaning we have a lot of properties for parallelograms. Let's discuss the properties of parallelograms. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. So let's discuss one by one. Please remember properties of parallelograms. Let's discuss one by one. There's a lot of properties of parallelograms. P, Q, R, S. See, the arrows tell which lines are parallel. Okay. Now, let's go one by one now. Now, what do you think about the opposite angles? What do you think about the opposite angles? Opposite angles are
The same.
congruent. Adjacent angles are adjacent angle means near. I can't say adjacent angles. Consecutive angles. Consecutive angles are, see, adjacent means these two are adjacent. Okay, whereas these two are consecutive. Do you see what I mean? These are consecutive angles, these are adjacent. That's why I changed. Consecutive angles are
They're equal to the opposite exterior. Oh.
supplementary. Got it? Consecutive angles are supplementary. And diagonals, what do they do in a parallelogram? You'll have to remember these guys. Very important. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. What else did I leave?
Well, are the diagonals equal?
Diagonals bisect each other. Are they equal? Think and tell me. For parallelogram, right?
Yeah.
Last week we discussed diagonals are congruent in a trapezoid, right?
Yeah,
Of a parallelogram, what do you think?
they are.
I said they bisect each other, but are they congruent? What do you think, Dhruv?
Wait, no, never mind. They're not.
They are not congruent. Good job.
Because
You
like
see?
one side, this side is like longer, right?
Exactly. That's what I wanted to show you. Good job. Good job. See, you figuring out, you'll remember it forever. Okay. But see, in an isosceles trapezoid, they're congruent. Okay.
Yeah, because
Suppose,
the sides are
Dhruv, since you asked me, I want to show you. Suppose, what is this? This is also a parallelogram, right, Dhruv?
yeah.
See, the thing is, a parallelogram can be split into these different things. What is this? A parallelogram can be a
Because it has to
rhombus,
have a
it can be a rectangle, it can be a square. Okay, the thing is, one thing understand, guys, I don't want to say this as a property, okay? The thing is, all properties of the parallelogram apply to its children. Rhombus, rectangle, and square are all parallelograms when you think about it. So, properties of a parent definitely applies to all the children. However, the properties, children may have extra properties. Children may have extra properties that are not applicable to the parent. Life also, it's that way, right? So remember like that. Parallelogram will have its properties. All the properties of the parallelogram will be applicable to its children. But children can have additional properties. So when you think about it in here, right? Yes, diagonals bisect each other for this as well. However, the diagonals are also congruent in a rectangle because of the way it is. So, the properties of a parent, let's be very careful in defining what are they. Opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other for a parallelogram. Okay, and then the diagonal separates the parallelogram into two triangles. Okay, now let's see this one. How would we studied the parallelogram just now, right? Can you do this and find out x and y? Can you do this and find out x and y? Can you do this and find out x and y?
Wait, this is a regular parallelogram, right?
Yeah, this is a regular parallelogram. Yes. That's a regular parallelogram.
Supplementary means they're equal to 180, right?
Which one, ma?
Supplementary means they're equal to 180, right?
Supplementary means they're equal to 180, correct?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you need the x and y values?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Some of your answers are right. Mahir, 31 and 2 seems correct to me. 31 and 2 seems correct to me. But Dhruv, 29. What, Dhruv? Where did we go wrong? I'm just wondering. Wait.
Oh wait, never mind. It's 31.
31, right?
Yeah,
There are
I did the wrong operation.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Can I check your answer? Yes, I can. Wait, I am missing the chat window. 31 and 2 seems correct, ma. If you've gotten a 31, if you're not getting a 31, you have to ask. Yes, Sahana. Okay. Yes, Mitransh. Okay, we'll move on, ma. How about this quick, ma? So these things are simple problems. Find out Z from here. Next, I'll give you. Okay, Yura, did you get the first one?
Yeah, I realized it was 30.
You realized. Okay, okay. As long as you realize, otherwise call, ask. Don't just keep quiet. How about the next one? Can you find out Z? Go ahead. Oh, wow. Correct.
Priya,
Ashita.
can I? Wait,
Yeah. Correct, ma.
is it right?
Correct.
Okay. I thought I put the wrong numbers down.
No. Don't feel confident about yourself. If you don't understand, you have to let me know. How
No, I
about
thought I wrote a 2Z on my paper instead of a 3Z, so I thought I got it wrong.
Oh, okay. So one more proof, guys.
In decimal, like form?
Yeah. Correct. It's okay, guys, to go wrong. Here we learn, right? As long as you understand the correct way, that's enough, even if you make a mistake. I got a 44, Amma. Oh, 44. How are 44? They bisect each other. So you just equate them, right, Vinisha?
Oh,
44.
okay. I understand what I did wrong now.
What was the mistake? Can you share with us so that we won't make the mistake, right? It also helps
Yeah,
everybody.
I made them like supplementary, like I made them equal to 180.
Oh, you know what? 1 minute. Yeah, Vinisha, this is something I have seen many kids do. Here, these are line segments. You see, they are not angles.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's something. No, no, not only you, I've seen many people do the same thing. These are line segments, guys. Okay, don't equate them, don't add them to 180. Line segments can never be angles. Okay, so you have to equate here 3z minus 4 equal to z plus 5 because diagonals bisect each other, right? So 2z equal to 9, z equal to 4.5. Okay, any questions? Stop me, otherwise I'll keep moving because this quadrilaterals will go forever. Okay, can you prove this? If you can prove that, let me know what are you all using and then I'll move on to the next one. See, proofs we need to do. There'll be a lot of problems in proofs. Okay, once we do proofs in parallelograms, we can go to rectangles. If I'm able to complete rectangles and square, it's a mountain. Let's see. But I don't think we can. We can only do parallelograms and proofs. Let me see. Hey, Ashita, what are you doing in class, ma?
But we're doing surface area and volume of 3D figures, 3D composite figures.
Oh my God. Okay, after this, can we go there? I think
Yeah,
so.
that's fine.
Yeah, because this is a huge one. I just want to finish and then discuss properties of triangles as well. Let's see. Property, see, I have to write and keep I feel because properties of triangles is pending and parallelograms are pending. Let's say. Yeah, Z Nabiha correct. Kura correct. Yeah. So would you be able to prove this given this and this? Prove V equal to is congruent to S. Okay.
Wait, so are the two parallelograms equal or not? 'Cause it just says like we just have those. So it might not be equal. So how do?
Thing is, yeah. Maybe I can give you a diagram. I feel I'm missing a diagram. Give me a minute. Let me check. Yeah, I'm missing a diagram. See, PRST. PRST is here. PRST. PRST and then PQVU. PQVU. Does it make sense? Am I making sense, guys? They're asking to prove this is congruent to this.
Is PQVU like a quarter of PRST?
Nothing else is given, right, Amma?
Yeah.
Mm,
No, I was just asking because that's how it looks in the diagram.
you cannot assume, Kayura.
Okay.
But a good question from you. But you cannot assume that it's a quarter. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, you cannot assume. So let's see how to prove. This seems a teeny tiny bit tricky. Do you want to try?
Could you like walk us through, please?
Sure. Let's try.
It's kind of confusing.
Oh, it's confusing, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, like I don't understand
Yeah,
how
I'm not
to
getting
get
any
there.
answers.
Cause like since they didn't give us any value of the sides, we don't
But
exactly
it's
know.
not as complicated as you think, guys. It's teeny tiny bit tricky. That's all.
Miss Priya,
Uh,
can I don't know the proof names, but can I try
try.
explaining it without like I don't know, but I can like try to do it without like try to I don't know.
No problem. Okay, it's
Yeah.
only a three line proof.
Well,
What?
if we did it
Yes.
if you did it like how you did the other one, the other parallelogram, then angle P and angle T are well PQRS and PQVU. I mean, wait, the two thingies are given.
PRST is given. Always you start with that, okay?
Yeah.
And then this is also given.
Yeah. And then
So what? We have discussed properties. We have discussed properties of parallelograms.
Oh, is it just like since like P is equal to V? I
P
mean,
is congruent to V. Okay, good. Why?
because of
Definition of parallelogram, right?
parallelogram. So then, and since P is equal to S,
P is equal to yes, yes.
because of definition of parallelogram, and then V will be equal to S because of
1 minute, ma. Is it a definition of parallelogram
no,
or no? I don't see that as a definition of parallelogram, but I would rather call it as what?
the congruent
Opposite angles.
Opposite angles in a parallelogram are supplementary, are congruent.
and then the same thing for the other one, right?
In a parallelogram are congruent. Same thing here. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. Ma, you don't draw, ma, you have to write it fully, okay? Otherwise, I'll also write it fully. Why should I alone draw? Similarly, here it's a parallelogram.
Then is it transitive
Yeah,
property?
and then it's transitive property.
Yep,
V
yep.
is equal to S.
It's
No.
V.
No, it's
Transitive
V.
or substitution? Transitive
Transitive.
property is
It's transitive.
And
yeah, that's what we discussed earlier, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can we move on? Can we move on?
Mm-hmm.
There'll be more proofs only for parallelograms, okay? Now, basic proofs are okay. Okay, this is a higher order thinking problem. I just want you to do 33. Okay, rest of it you can go ahead and do it at home, okay? Try doing 33. If it is marked in green, it's a higher order thinking problem. Let's see. 33, can you do? What is the measure of AFB? Yeah. What is that AFB? Oh, yeah. That is an easy one. What is AFB?
it's 180 minus 49, which
That's what even I think. What do you all think?
it is 131, right?
Has to be 180 minus 40.
Yeah, 180 minus 49 because it's a straight line, right? 180 minus 49. Are you all with me?
Yeah,
See, this is a straight line, right? 180 minus 49 gives you AFB, which is 130.
131.
Make sense?
Yes.
Nabi, are you with me? Okay. Okay. If you're not with me, stop. Okay. You don't have to say, yes, I understand. No, you can stop. How about this? Oh, I don't want. Ayyo. Okay, how about this? This one is a good one, meaning I always want to revise this ACT SAT problem. Let's see. How about this? In the figure, in the figure quadrilateral MNQP is a parallelogram. Which of the following statements about the figure must be true?
Wait, Miss Priya, should we say out loud or in chat?
Uh, in chat, ma. Let's see. If it's difficult, then you can explain. Go ahead. Oh, right, Mitransh. That was nice. You got that by yourself. Nice. That proof. Go ahead. Shall I go ahead or you want to go ahead, guys?
I sent my answer.
Sure.
I sent my answer.
I sent him my answer.
Yeah, let's see. I'm missing the chat window. Okay. Okay, I need to check the answer, right? I can't do it without it. If you didn't get it, then I'll see. Okay. Kayura, you're missing something. Nabiha, good job, ma. Srishti, you are missing a couple. Dhruv, correct. Sahana, correct. Ashita, correct. Vinisha, correct. Okay, let me go over quickly. So what is this? MNP is equal to PQM. MNP means MNP, PQM, PQM. These two are equal. See, opposite sides of a parallelogram. They've clearly given it's a parallelogram. So this is correct. MR equal to PR. MR is congruent to PR. MR is congruent to PR. What do you think, guys? Diagonals bisect each other, right? MQ is equal to MN. MQ is equal to MQ is congruent to MN. That seems incorrect. Hey, Srishti, your answer is right, ma. I'm sorry, ma, Srishti.
Yeah,
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Auntie, I said 1 and 2.
You correct, Kayura. Sorry, I verified both of yours wrongly. Sorry, ma.
yeah,
So,
because
yeah. This is not correct. So, this is correct. Shall we move on? That's good. Okay. Okay, now, okay. We know we did discuss definition of a parallelogram. We did discuss the properties of a parallelogram. Correct? Now, when will we say, hey, this is a parallelogram? You see the converse of it. When will we say? See, the thing is, we have always discussed, hey, if given it's a parallelogram, we know that the opposite angles are congruent, adjacent, the consecutive angles are supplementary, all that we know. But what are the conditions based on which we will say it's a parallelogram? Let me put it out to you. These are the conditions based on which we are going to say whatever figure, whatever quadrilateral we have is a parallelogram. Now, let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a parallelogram. I'm going to draw a parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. It's not drawn to scale. Okay. And what else I want to have here? I also want to have one more. This one. Let me change the color. E. Let have it like this. Okay. Now let's see. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. If they give you that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, that means what here? AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. Any questions here? Both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. AB is congruent to DC and AD is congruent to BC. Any questions here? Both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. A is congruent to C, B is congruent to D. The diagonals bisect each other. What does it mean? AE is congruent to EC, DE is congruent to EB. Then the last one pair of opposite sides is congruent and parallel. One pair of opposite sides is congruent and parallel. Even if one of the pairs is congruent and they are parallel, that also tells that it's a parallelogram. Okay, now let's see. Remember these, it's just the same thing, but the converse. Okay, you need to remember opposite angles are congruent, the consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other. Those are the very peculiar properties of a parallelogram. Let's see this one. How about this? Is this a parallelogram? You have to say yes, no. Okay. Let me see. Is this a parallelogram? You can say yes, no. It's a discussion, guys. Is this a parallelogram? If yes, you have to substantiate. If no, you have to substantiate. Go ahead, guys.
Yes, because the opposite sides are congruent.
True, but there was one peculiar thing. If you consider only one pair of parallel sides, there was we did discuss one property. If you're only considering one pair, right? What was that condition? If you consider only one pair of opposite sides, it should be congruent and parallel. But here, what is happening?
One of them is congruent, the other is
One
parallel.
of them is parallel, but the other is congruent. So this is not you with this diagram. You can't say it's a parallelogram. Make sense?
Okay.
If they have given it like this, right? Then yes, this is incorrect. Make sense? Okay. Now, let's see. These are easy ones. Anyway, let's see. How about this? What is the property you'll use? First of all, tell me whether it is or what property you'll use. Yes or no? Is this a parallelogram? Is that a parallelogram?
Yes,
Yes, no, please, guys.
but okay, I'm gonna try again, but yes, because the diagonal lines are congruent and they bisect each other.
Wait. Diagonals are not congruent. Diagonals are not congruent. Here, Dhruv pointed out, right? This is long diagonal, this is short diagonal.
Oh wait,
Diagonals
I didn't mean like the diagonals. I meant like the lines, like the each side
They
of the
bisect each other is correct, Makeyura. Whatever you
Yes.
said.
Yeah, I meant like each side of the diagonal before the intersection.
Correct. So you can just say they bisect each other. Yes, Dhruv, sorry,
Okay.
Dhruv, what was that?
Miss Priya?
You want to go?
No, not that. But it wouldn't it would be a parallelogram, but it wouldn't be a parallelogram because like the opposite sides aren't parallel, right?
Doesn't matter, but they have clearly given that the diagonals are bisecting each other. This is equal to this. This is equal to this, right, Dhruv?
Oh, okay.
Oh, meaning, see, if it obeys any property, it's good. Okay. Suppose if they give you only one and that side is congruent, yes, it is a parallelogram. Or if they give you like this, it's still a parallelogram. You got it?
Okay.
Or if they give you like this, it's still a parallelogram. You got it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now let's go ahead. This is one topic which will extend for hours. How about this? You don't have to go around doing this because the concept you already know. But I want you to think through and tell me how will you prove? Prove that one pair of opposite sides are both parallel and congruent. Now they have given you 4 vertices. You're going to draw a graph. Basically, you're going to draw the graph, plot HJKL. Uh, uh, before we move on, Mahir, are you following, Ma? Mahir? Okay, go ahead. Prove that one pair of so how will you do this? How will you do this? I want inputs from you guys.
You have to first plot all the points on the graph, and then you
Uh-huh.
use like the slope formula to see like what if one pair of the opposite sides are like both the lines are equal, have the same slope, and then you see the distance formula to see if they're equal.
You use the distance formula to see. Okay. A slope formula to do what?
To see if they both are parallel.
Yep. Okay. In once and make sure you're there. H 5 comma 6. 9 comma 0. J. K is 8 comma minus 5. 8 comma minus 5 is k. L is 3 comma minus 2. So see guys, 3 comma minus 2. Now for this one, right, you have this figure, right? Prove that one pair of opposite sides are both parallel and congruent. So see here, this and this. If you take it right, for proving to be parallel, you have to find the slope of HL and JK. Once you find the slope, right, they should be equal for them to be parallel. Okay. And then you can find the distance formula. For HL, you can find the distance. And then for JK, you can find the distance using distance formula. And then make sure they are equal. Once you prove the distances are equal and the slopes are equal, then you can say, hey, these two lines are parallel and they are congruent. Make sense? Or there is nothing wrong in choosing this pair. Just one pair you need to prove. You got it? Okay. How about this? One more, guys. Let me. Uh, no, we are not there yet. Hold on. Okay, coordinates, you can do it by yourself, I feel. Proofs, Lata. Okay, we'll do one ACT problem and then leave. Let's see. How about this? When? Let's see this one. How about this? Which are all true? You don't have to do anything. You see what I mean? You just read and tell me which are correct. Let's do that. Are you able to do?
Do we type our answers in the chat?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, are you supposed to choose multiple?
What is that, ma'am?
Are you supposed to choose multiple?
You are supposed to do. It's a multiple choice, multiple select.
Okay.
You can let me
Oh,
know.
I thought it was only choose one.
Yeah.
Do you have it? Take your time, but do it correctly and then go, guys. Vinisha, you're missing something.
Wait, want to be all of them? Like all
Srishti,
of
you
them?
can log off, ma. Huh? Oh, yes,
Want to,
Nabila, you can log off. What, Amma, Dhruv?
want to be all of them?
Not really. That's what Mitran says, but that doesn't seem right to me.
No,
But
because
why
like
would it not be always them?
yeah, because like for example, if you had like a parallelogram,
Yeah.
then,
Just draw. I will draw on top. Yeah.
okay.
Let's say A, B, oh, we'll put, Dhruv, we'll put it like this, Dhruv, because we don't know which is A, B, C, right?
Oh yeah.
0 and
Oh,
1
that
A.
makes sense.
That's the problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
problem.
B is 1 and 4. 1, 4. B, C is 5, comma 5. And then
Oh,
D is 4, comma 2, right? See, so now you see that's the tricky part. So slope formula to show AB is parallel to CD. Okay, that we'll do. Use the distance formula to show BC is congruent to. Aha.
okay.
Oh,
Yeah, can you do that as well?
I think all you need to do is do 1 and 3. One and no, just 1 and
Ayyo,
1, 2. You have to do all of them, don't you?
no. Distance formula to prove A, B, and C, D are see only these two, right, Amma?
No, because like the thing you said was like all that the opposite sides have to be parallel and congruent.
No, yeah, no, but it also says that only like one pair of parallel sides has to be congruent. So since it only
1
said
minute.
the one of them,
But 1 minute, ma. These two will go, but there is something else given. I did not read this. Hold on.
Yeah, but then
Karuna
it
uses
won't
the
be a
slope
parallel.
formula to show BC is parallel to O. BC is parallel to AD. She already proved. Okay. Which of the following can she use as a next step to show it's a parallelogram? It's parallel, then the distance should be equal.
yeah. So
BC
can you use
distance
all of
is
them?
congruent. No, this is the only one she can use, right?
But can't you also do the AB is parallel to CD and then do this
Fine.
exponent for that as
Yeah.
well?
See, she can use these two. That's all.
Yeah. So which one would the answer? All of them or just number two?
1 and 2 only.
Two.
She can't use 3.
Why can't you use 3?
Why?
Why? Because, see, why?
If you
Because,
prove that, since if you prove,
see, BC is parallel to AD is already given. Okay. To finish this, she can only say BC distance is equal to AD, which comes here. You got it? If she proves
yeah.
this, then it's a parallelogram. Otherwise, the other option is she already has this as parallel, so she can as well prove that these two are parallel.
Okay.
You got it? Meaning, two
Okay.
pairs. See, definition of parallelogram is two pairs of opposite sides parallel is a parallelogram. So that solves one. So she can prove one, or she can prove two. Whatever she has plus two, she can prove to be a parallelogram. But this does not help at all. You got it? Because she has the relation between BC, AD. This is about AB and CD. Make sense?
Okay.
Yes.
Sahana, did you get it?
Yeah.
Slightly tricky, guys, though. Mitrans, did you understand?
Yeah.
Vinisha?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, so it's a parallelogram, they can make it tricky, guys. Okay.
Miss Priya, I have to go.
Yeah, ma. Bye, ma. I'm closing. Sorry.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. Any questions for me?
No.
Then I can log off.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. See you all next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Sahana, did you have a question, ma?